Hello Vivekians. How are you all? I hope you all are in good health and spirits and enjoying school from home program. Welcome back to maths class. This is your Ruchi ma'am, in charge of grade 3. Students, yesterday you read about different 3D shapes. I'm sure now you can easily identify the different solid shapes: cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and cylinder. Right? Okay. Now today we will learn some more concepts about 3D or solid shapes. Okay? So the objective of today's class is to learn about faces, edges and vertices, and to identify plane and curved surfaces. So my dear children, open your maths course book at page number 87. Let's find out face, edge and vertex of a solid shape. Now you can see the three figures given, okay, and in these figures it has been clearly shown the edges, face and vertex. Right? Now dear students, can you tell me what is an edge? Edge क्या होता है? Yes, an edge is a side where two faces meet. Edge वो side होता है जहाँ पे two faces मिलते हैं, जहाँ पे two faces meet करते हैं, उस लाइन को हम edge बोलते हैं. Right? Okay. Now, what is a face? आपने ये तो सुन लिया कि जहाँ two faces meet करते हैं वो edge होता है. And what is a face? Face क्या होता है? The flat part of a solid shape is called a face. Right? जो flat surface होता है solid shape का, वो क्या होता है? Face होता है. Right? Okay. Now you can tell me what is a vertex. Vertex क्या होता है? Vertex is a point where three or more edges meet. जहाँ पे two या three edges meet करते हैं, उस point को हम vertex बोलते हैं. Right? When it is a singular, when one is there, then we will say vertex, and when many are there, then we will say vertices. One face, many faces. One edge, many edges. Right? Okay. Now to understand the concept clearly, see the video further and you will be able to understand how to count the number of edges, faces and vertices in a solid shape. Alright? Now see students, this is a cuboid. Okay? And I have already told you that what is an edge, what is vertex and what is a face. Now let's count in this figure number of faces, edges and vertices. Okay? So let's start. Face, this is the first one, number 1. Next, this is number 2. This is the second face. Okay, face. Now comes the third face. This is number 3. This is third face and this is fourth face. So till now we have counted 4 faces, and the next one is, this is fifth face and the next one is the sixth one. Right? So now you can count the number of faces in this cuboid are 6. You can count now? Okay. And how many edges? Can you count the number of edges? Let's count. Edges are the line where two faces meet. जहाँ पे two faces meet करते हैं, वो जो part होता है, that is called an edge. Okay, that corner. So number 1, Okay, number 2, number 3 and number 4. And then this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these are the 12 edges in a cuboid. Okay, and now what are the vertices? Vertices are the corner points where 2 or 3 edges meet. जहाँ पे 2 या 3 edges meet करती हैं उसे हम vertex बोलते हैं. When it is one we say vertex, and when many then we say vertices. Right? So let's count the number of vertices in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 in the front face and 4 in the back face. Right? So 4 and 4, how many? 8. Right? So how many vertices in a cuboid? 8 vertices. Right? So now here comes a cylinder. Now let's find out the faces, edges and vertices in this cylinder. Right? Okay, see the cylinder. This is the curved face of a cylinder. So it has one curved face. Okay, and this is the plane face. These two are the plane faces of a cylinder. So a cylinder has one curved face and two plane faces, right? And it has two edges also. The edges are this and this. Okay, so a cylinder has one curved face, two plane faces and two edges, right? Okay, so this is all about a cylinder. Now let's talk about a sphere. You can see sphere, it is a circular object. Okay, it is a 3D shape with a curved face, right? It doesn't has a plain face. इसमें कोई plain face नहीं है. इसमें हमारे पास सिर्फ एक curved face है. ठीक है, इसमें कोई vertex नहीं है, कोई edge नहीं है, right? So it only has a curved face and no vertex and no edge, right? Now let's talk about a cone. So how many faces does it has? See, a cone has one curved face and one flat or a plain face, right? And it has one vertex. So when it is one, we always say vertex. So it has one vertex, one edge. This is the edge of a cone. Okay, and two faces, one flat face or a plain face and one curved face. Right? Okay. Okay, children. Now it's time for a cube. Let's count the number of edges, faces and vertices in a cube. Now, first let's count the number of faces. Okay. So I have told you in cuboid you have to put numbers. Right? So this is number 1, 2, 3. The flat part is called a face. Okay. Okay. Then 4, 5 and 6. So the number of faces are 6. Okay. In a cube the number of faces are 6. Right. Now let's count the number of edges. Alright. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come to back side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4, 8. Right? Now 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the number of edges in a cube are 12. Number of faces are 6 and edges are 12. Now let's count the number of vertices. Right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the front side and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 at the back side. So 4 and 4, 8. So we have 8 vertices in a cube. Clear? Alright. Now students, I hope the concept is clear to you all? Now you can easily recognize or identify the 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and a cone. And you can easily tell the number of edges, faces and vertices in these figures, right? And I have also told you about the plane face and a curved face. ठीक है, अब आपको ये भी समझ आ गया कि प्लेन फेस कौन सा होता है और कर्व्ड फेस कौन सा होता है. ठीक है, जो सर्कुलर फेस होता है वो कर्व्ड फेस होता है और जो प्लेन होता है वो तो आपको पता ही है कि फ्लैट फेस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज प्लेन फेस, राइट. तो आज का ऑब्जेक्टिव हमारा पूरा हो गया. सो आई होप द कॉन्सेप्ट इज clear to you, right? Now it's time for home assignment. Okay, now you have to do let's try 4 and my turn 4. All right, and you have to write the defines given in the PDF in your notebook very neatly and draw the figures also. So my dear students, it's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.